how to fix Roblox error code 268. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel and let's see how we can do it. So there are two ways to do it, and this error basically appears because you have been banned by the game server, and in order to solve it you will first have to log into your game and contact the support. Just simply provide your date of birth and other sort of details it will ask, and raise the ticket that you are banned from the server and you are looking to solve this particular problem. And before this you can try one more stuff, and it is get a VPN. You can use this one, it is absolutely free and it is Winscribe. You can simply use this VPN, change your server, and after that you can log into your Roblox again. And it is available both on mobile device as well as PC or laptop, and this is how you solve this problem. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.